Hello? Hello, are we live? Am I live? Am I back? I hiccuped. Are we back? Hello? Hello? Welcome back! Hi! We're back! Apologies. I know that a lot of my viewers are not here anymore. We've had a lot of people leave. That's okay. So, I'm back. I'm ready to do things. Hi, this is my first stream. Welcome. Hi there. Can't really watch because it's too late for me, but have a good stream. Thank you. Hope you have a good day. How do I pronounce your name? Fairlii. It is pronounced Fairlii. Yo, hi, Meal in the house. Hi, TerraCraft. This is gonna be a 24-hour stream to compensate, right? Oh man, working on Lunal Lane for 24 hours. We'll see. We'll see how long it goes. It's 1 a.m. Do I sleep or do I watch? Go to sleep, it's late. So we've eaten dinner and we're back. Did you fix the sink? The repairman has fixed it for the time being. 1 a.m. gang. Dang, 1 a.m. You guys are crazy. So we're back. So we are back. And we are going to work on the game. 7 p.m. for me. It is 6 p.m. for me. Minecraft Zombies now. Andy. In your last stream, you said that you could play Jellyfields in the Discord. How do you play it? You go to the channel Jellyfields Tests. I think it's called GF Tests. And you download the game and play it. Oh, Coco SW is a new member. We got a new member. It happened right before the stream went live. You can see their name on the right side. Coco. But yes, we got a new member. Congratulations, as I was saying last stream. Thanks for becoming a member. That's awesome. Okay. Without further ado, we are going to just jump right in to the game. And I'm going to show you guys stuff that I did yesterday and today on the game. First, let's go here. Yes. To Unity. And I can show you some stuff. Aya is a member. Yes, Aya is a member. When I played, the jelly wouldn't stop shoving its face into the cell box. Yeah, that was a bug in that version. It'll be fixed in the next version. Hi, am I late? No, you showed up perfectly on time. So, as you guys know, we have good old little Noble here. And I hear Delana yelling about something. Noble can run around and attack with the boomerang. I don't know if this was here the last stream, but I have a actual health and mana bar now. And it is fully functioning. Ignore that mouse. Ignore that mouse that was up there. Wait, why is that? Why did it appear right there? It's appearing right there. Okay. Okay. Let's actually, I guess we'll first figure out whatever this bug is. I must have did something silly on accident here. Mousy. What did I do with you that was wrong? Okay. Oh. No, that's incorrect. It should be this and this. Okay. Now we should be fine. Can you change Noble's name to Foxy Boy? No. No, I can't do that. First new thing is I've been messing with the lighting. I don't know if I'm exactly happy with the lighting right now, but I made some changes to it. Let me know what you think. Did you use Barden's tutorial for camera room transition? No. It's just a Cinemachine thing. If you turn off one Cinemachine camera and turn another one on, it can transition. Ikoso! Hi, Ikoso. Okay. First thing is, yes, this health bar is here and it works. So if I get damaged, you can see I lost half a heart. I lost a full heart. And yeah. Cool, right? Obviously, we did work on the text box already, so... Hi, I'm Miss Stinky Jelly. Yes, I am. Cool. That's working. I'm getting a lot of stuff in the game. Another thing is, the game works with controller now? Which is cool. The controls are a little bit funky, though, I'll say. The next thing that I did was I've added in the first card. So if you've watched Lunal Lane in the past, you'll know that there are magical abilities that you get from defeating enemies called Lunapon cards, and they are like magic spells that you can use. And I added in the first one, which is the Mousy Orb, which if you watched the original Lunal Lane stuff, you'll know about the Mousy Orb. It's the ability you get from the Mousy. And this is so awesome because I finally made a change to the cards that people asked for and wanted to happen, but I was so not good at coding when I first made the game that I couldn't make it possible, but now it's possible. And that is, okay, right now for testing, you can see where I'm aiming with this little arrow here. You can see like this, boop, I throw it, boop. See that? And if that's left click as zoom ray attack. And right click, look, it's popped up and boo, I shoot the little orb. Obviously visually it's not that good right now. And you can see that it took one whole bit of mana here. So, pew. So the spell cards are in the game. And that's actually what we're going to work on today. We're going to make some fun spells and charms because I've got a ton of ideas for them. And I want to make them on stream. I think that'll be fun. And then if you're wondering what this is, it's a thing that when you step in it, it'll refill your mana. So if I shoot and I walk in, you see it bloop, bloop, going up. Cool, right? Your audio is amazing. What's your mic setup / how do you stop echoing? There's actually a really bad echo with my mic because of the size of the room that I'm in right now, and there's not a lot of furniture in it. My microphone is actually I think the brand is called Fairlii. They are a very good budget brand for microphones. And I do not like to buy overly expensive products. I like to buy things that are bang for your buck kind of products. And the Fairlii line of microphones is actually really nice. And the audio quality from this microphone to the average person is comparable to my over $100 microphone that I was using previously. So that's cool. And then another thing that I added is room transitions. So you can actually move over to the next room and boom, 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 boom. Here, I'm in the save room. Obviously, it's like the little bedroom, and then you can go up to your bed and save. And I can go up to my bed, and you sleep and feel refreshed. Bada bing, bada boom. It currently isn't refilling your health and stuff, but you can see that when I do it, it says game saved. And that is not a lie. It's actually saving the game. So if I were to reload the game, I will have this much health, maybe? Oh no, the health is full. Okay, I know what the problem is. But it is properly saving and loading. That stuff works. It's just not fully implemented yet. It's not setting the health and stuff, but it's saving it. Okay, cool. Will there be lore to Lunal Lane? Yeah, there'll be a lot of lore. A lot of lore. This is gonna be like my lore game. Very heavily lore-based stuff. It should give you good insight into this whole world that I'm making. Cantina, as it's called. So cool. So today, we're gonna make a few different cards. Different spells, if you will. Oh, also, the cards have cooldowns as well. So you can see when I attack, I can keep spamming the button and I can't do it. And then when the cooldown is done, then I can attack again. And each card can have their own sort of cooldown and things like that. Fun, right? At least I think it's really fun. The idea with this, by the way, this mana pool, as I've been calling it, is that these will be scattered around the map in some areas, and they'll just be a good little spot for you to refresh your mana. It doesn't affect your health, though, so you'll have to find a different way to heal. Do you play Magic the Gathering or Yu-Gi-Oh? I do not play either of those. I don't actually play any card games. That means I can't machine gun level 1 enemies when I'm level 45. There is no levels in this game. You don't level up. Fox with the boomerang in a mansion with mice, basically, so far. Yeah, basically. Oh, also, you probably can see there's an actual little zoom in. When with the text. So it zooms in on Noble, so that the text box doesn't actually cover you. And obviously, if there was different animations and stuff that were happening, you'd be able to, like, more easily see it on the top portion of the screen. Fairlii Man, Fairlii Guy, they're making the borders of Scarlet and Violet cards gray instead of yellow. Oh, that's weird. So what are you guys all thinking of the new changes and stuff to the game? I'm really excited. It's really cool. Fairlii, can you quickly try out the zombie mod I made? It's getting very late here, so like just see you go. Okay. Where did you put it in? Let me just search zombie mod in Discord. Here? Here, I found it. Okay, we're gonna try a mod that Andy made. We love Andy here. Certified Andy lovers. Okay. It's in one of these folders here. Okay. Gonna put it here. And I really want Dragon Quest treasures. I don't have enough money to buy it though. I asked Elena to get it for me for Christmas. But the game came out yesterday and I really want it. Features Eric and Mia, two of my favorite characters from Dragon Quest XI. Oh, it looks like fun. And you can get slime friends. Is that mousy sprite staying or is it getting redesigned? Looks different compared to everything else. This sprite? What makes it look different? Lunal Lane zombies. Okay, let's play this mod. How do I... Okay, I need to do a game capture. Is the mansion you're in a building in a world, or is the entire world a mansion? Interesting question. You'll have to figure it out when you play the game. It's in its own world. Why will it not? It doesn't want to capture the game. There it goes. Oh God. This is awful. Why would you make... What it... Why would you make this? This is stupid. No. They jumped to block. They block you. No, no, no. I'm infinitely stunned. I win. No. I won, guys. I won. Don't look at that thing that says health 0. Why don't the settings work in Jelly Fields? They haven't been added yet. I won. I'm officially the winner. Yeah, you forgot to make it so that they can't hit you when you're stunned. That's a good mod. Thank you, Andy, for that. Very cursed. I hate it. Yeah, zombie did just fall out of the world. Oh, next time you'll add creepers. Great. Great. Hi, Ender Knight. I got a card idea. What's your card idea? So I have a few different cards that I really want to make. I'm not designing the actual cards yet. We're just designing, you know, the attacks. Also, the mousey seems to be in a different style. How does it look different style-wise? Is it just because it has, like, less shading? I might have to look into it. I can kind of see what you mean, though. Are you in Australia? No, I live in the U.S. Let me look up. We actually need to go here. And I need to get my list of things that I wanted to add in my Trello. I think so. Would there be cards that change the look of the character? No. Push card, it will push nearby enemies away and stun them. That's a cool idea. Fairlii, what is your favorite thing? Very important question, thank you. Dragon Quest slimes. I made it mean to sound mean. I love the mousey. No. I'm just trying to see it because I'm like being blind right now and not seeing it. But I do agree. I mean, like, this looks, the Plerit here looks way more in style than the mousey does. I watched all your videos and it's really cool to see how much you've improved. Thank you. All right, let me go to my card ideas. Okay, those are charms. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Yes, here's a bunch of different cards. So most of the cards are enemies, as you all know. We can do the Plerit card. It's probably just me. I can look into it. The Plerit card, if you've ever played the Unity Lunal Lane, is actually really cool. And basically what it is you take our little Plerit friend here, and we need to make the alternate version Plerit. So a little lore thing about Plerits is that there are two different types of Plerits. There are the blue blue Plerit, which are aggressive towards people. They don't like people. And there's also the green Plerit, which are not aggressive towards people. They're nice fellas. So there's a blue one, and there's a green one. And the Plerit card throws out a Plerit, and it does damage over time to enemies that it hits. And it also goes through walls. Fairlii, what is your least favorite video game? Maybe like sports games would be my least favorite video game series, I guess. I don't really care too much for... I don't know. I like a lot of games. I have to go to my please hold. Because we're going to export this. And I don't want you guys seeing... I want you seeing all my files. This is a Plerit card. Okay. And then we can go back to Unity. I really need a Stream Deck. Wait, let's see the mouse again. It's right here. I think I need to add like just like shading to it. More shading. It's weird that it kind of just has like this like light spot here. Doesn't really make much sense. I honestly just changed the old drawing to the new color palette. I didn't actually update the sprite. So you can see, yeah, it doesn't look like all the other things. Fairlii, can I hack into your computer? No, don't do that. That's mean. Let's go to Haunted Household. Let's make a new folder called Cards. And then I have to bring in this sprite. How did everyone's week go, by the way? Just want to know how your week went. Areas, Haunted Household, Cards, clear it. Then we obviously have to set the settings. 16. And then I hit apply because I'm a weird. And then I do both of those. And then hit apply again. My week went great. That's good. The ball and the tail is connected by pixels. Remove the corners. It doesn't look like a ball. Yeah, you're correct. I don't know why I did that. Good. Lots of schoolwork, though. Oh, did you show the frog? Yeah, I actually didn't show the frog. I showed it in the stream that I did earlier, but I didn't show it here. So let me show you the frog. Today's frog is... Oh, it's a frog present. Merry Christmas, baby. Have a frog. I mean, how do you rate Unity? Well, considering I'm a Unity insider, I rate it good. I'm in a school band. We just did a concert yesterday. Whoa. Fake present. Can't believe this. So we're gonna pretty much just take the cards, the mousy orb here, and we're gonna pretty much just use this as the Plerit. Don't tell anyone. Okay. We're gonna save this as its own prefab. And then I can show you guys how the projectiles are kind of set up in my non-professional way of setting things up. So the projectiles have two different scripts. They have the damaging script, which this script goes on anything that can damage anything else. So this is can damage. Right, cool. And the projectile script is how you set the speed of it. And it also has the rigid body. It does the projectile script basically is used for aiming. Like it points it in the direction that it's gonna go. That kind of deal. The damaging script has anything to do with like the health and things of that sort. And then this script is rotate. It's for if you rotate the thing, but the Plerit is not gonna rotate, so we don't need that script. I don't think I need the animator on here either. 'Cause it's... Oh no, it is going to animate. I'm just gonna remove it anyways. It's not necessary. For the time being, that is. And then we're gonna take the sprite. We're gonna set the sprite to be the Plerit. Green Plerit. Cute. We have a concert soon for our band. Whoa. And then I'm pretty sure this would just be fine for the time being. Its speed should be kind of slower because it does move a little bit slower. And then, okay, that's cool. And now we can just make a new card, which is a scriptable object. You can see I have it in... Oh, you can't actually see my... It's not... It doesn't pick up like the other windows, sadly. Cool. Okay. So I'm gonna make a new card. Clear it. And this spell that it's gonna spawn is the Clear It right there. Its cooldown, let's just for testing give it a 2-second. Oh, we'll do 1 second cooldown. Its mana cost, it's just how much mana it costs to use it. We'll just do a placeholder number there. And is aimed is so you can like actually aim it. If not, it'll just throw out forward, or I can set how exactly the spell kind of comes out. So we're gonna go to our noble, and we're gonna go down here, and we're gonna set his primary card to the Plerit now. And now we should be able to throw Plerits. Ever make anything in Scratch? I opened Scratch once, but I never did it. So there you go, I'm throwing a ghost out. Cool. We need to make it so that it doesn't go upside down. That's a thing. There's a few different things that we need to do here. And obviously it needs to be animated. Wow, there's like no one on the stream. It's because I was doing a stream earlier that got canceled. So that's why there's a little less people here. Thank you for everybody that is in the stream. Also, I didn't say earlier, but thank you to all my members. You make every stream possible. If you want to become a member, get emojis and devlogs early and behind the scenes exclusive stuff, check out the join button. Check it out, check it out. Okay. I need a really quick what am I saying? Open something in Sprite. I need to go in here. And thank you for that message, Otter. And then I need to grab the Plerit. This was the old original Plerit. Oh, you're working on something. I see. So this was the original. Is this the original or the new? This is the new Plerit. Okay. We need to just take this and make it green, right? So we're gonna just do this. I mean, I could just alter the colors in the game, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So now we have this. And I can actually save that. Well, that will pop up. I don't want you guys to see all my files. Areas, haunted household enemies. Well, this is actually gonna be card. There you go. Save over that. Cool. Okay. And then if we go back into Unity. So if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm going to animate this bad boy. Animate this little cute little ghost. So I need to do this. If you guys can't see what I'm doing, I'm really quick grabbing this file. You're about to see the little... Watch how cool I am. You see that little picture of the player there on the bottom? Watch this. Bam! Now the picture's different. Oh my god, I'm so cool. It's multiple. Now this is multiple. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So I'm going to 7. Slice. Perfect. Good. Good and great. And then we're gonna make a new animation for the clear it. I'm gonna just call it clear it. Clear it card. Then we want to grab our little clear it fella here, which now has no sprite, no like default sprite. I spelled that wrong. Now it does have a default sprite. Cool. Fairlii, you're gonna get hacked tomorrow, so get ready. Whoa, that's rude. You should try and make something in Scratch, or you can't do that? I'm too busy to do that. And then I need to go here to that animation, and I'm gonna add the animation in here. And then we're going to make the animation. Wow, this is so insane. This is so intense. We're making animations, which is pretty much just grabbing all of these, throwing them in the animator, and looking how fast it goes. That's a little too fast. I kind of like that. Should it like get bigger? Whoops. Should it like... It's kind of got like a wibbly wobbly wiggly wibbly wibbly wiggly kind of thing going on there. I mean, for now, it looks good to me. I can obviously go back in and change that later. And then I need to loop the animation. And now that should be good. It's still going to throw it upside down, which is going to be a problem. So look, it's animated a little too fast for my taste. I can quickly go in here and grab it again and mess with the animation to make it a bit shorter. Sorry, you guys can't actually see the animator right now. I should just do a screen capture. That's kind of cute. So another thing we need to do. Okay. I think it's just because it's the speed of it is so fast that it's throwing me off. Let's make it like 3.5 speed. Plirit. Plirit. That's much better. Okay. Let me regenerate my mana. So the problem that we have now is that it throws upside down. I don't want that. And also it destroys when it hits a wall, which is not what we want. We want it to have a maximum distance that it goes and not destroy. So I have this right here is destroy on ground there, and is destroy. We'll take both of those off, and now it should just go. So now if I throw it, it just goes. But it should also deal, yeah, it deals one damage to the enemies, which is not what we want. We want it to deal damage over time. So I'm gonna have to open up a script. Open up a script. Yeah. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna have it flip, so it's gonna be properly. Can we have a spell thingy that shoots a spring that bounces? That's a cute idea. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm waiting for this to just open. Hi, Fairlii. Hi, Delana. What will you make next on Jelly Fields? We're still going to be working on the winter biome. Okay. We need this damaging script, and then we're going to have to add a bool called public bool is damage over time. Cool. And then I guess I'm gonna do an on trigger stay. I guess this works. And then we'll say is damage over time. We're gonna have a public float damage over time timer. Damage over time timer max. Good names. And then just because I want to, I'm gonna make a header here and I'm gonna call it damage over time. Cool. And then we're gonna say damage over time timer minus equals time dot delta time. If damage over time timer is less than or equal to 0, then we're going to do other dot get component. This one. And then these two as well. Well, actually, I need to do pretty much this whole entire thing. And I'm going to make this into a... this is going to be made into a function eventually. So we don't want the destroy thing. Cool. This is good. And then we also need to just say damage over time timer equals damage over time timer max. Cool. So this should be able to damage over time. And then we need to say on trigger enter if is damage over time, but we want the opposite of that. Where does this go? Here. Right? Okay, cool. How do you play Jellyfields after you download it? You have to extract the folder and then run the game. Okay, so this should work. Come on, load. So we're gonna say, is damage over time? Yes. The timer is gonna be every 0.3 seconds. It's gonna do 1 damage. No sound and stuff yet, so we don't have that kind of stuff. So let's see if that works. Just made it, sorry, can't be here for long, but I'll watch this stream in a few hours. Okay. Welcome anyways. Okay, this should... Okay, it's going too... The guy's going too fast. So we need to change that. We need to change that so that its projectile speed is like 1.5. This thing needs to just be a slow guy. What if you make a flower in the winter biome that's a snowflake? That's cute. Is that a bird jelly? Where? Oh, dang. You see that? It went pop, pop, pop. Okay, it damaged way too fast. And also its collider needs to be like... It needs a generous collider. Alright, there. Generous collider. Cool. I'm an idiot. I didn't know what this stream was. Fairlii, do you celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah? I celebrate Christmas. Boom. Okay, so it only hit once. We want it to hit... We want it to be able to hit more than once. So... 0.35? It's not a jelly ghost. It's not a jelly, guys. Why? Okay, wait. Why is it doing that? Bye, Fairlii. I love you. Bye. Why is 0.3 enough to just pow, 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 but 0.5 is too long? I guess just like with the speed. Let's do 0.4. It looked like a bird jelly to me. I make things that aren't jellies as well. I make jellies, but also non-jellies. So that was cool. It went pop, pop, pop. I like that. It was a little bit too strong. Thank you, guy who likes cats, for subscribing. I am going to keep it at 0.5. And hear me out. It's because this card has a very specific use, and it's on big enemies. If you have a big enemy or an enemy that's moving, like... here, I'll show you what I mean. This card can do some massive damage. You just have to use it correctly. So if I do this, if it's going with it, I didn't time it properly. But yeah, you can see what I mean. If an enemy's moving with it, it'll take a ton of damage. Or if it's an enemy that takes up a lot of space, it'll hit it multiple times. Edited the sprite enemy into a frog. You guys just love frogs, don't you? You guys are absolute frog lovers. All right. I'm gonna hit an ad really quick. And take a nice little... a little break. And by that I mean I'm just gonna sit here and take a drink of water. While the ad plays. Some of you got an ad, and some of you did not. Some of you got an ad, haha, and some of you did not. The best part of an ad blocker? Don't use an ad blocker. Ad blockers are bad. Oh wait, it's gonna show my... Oh, don't look at that. Don't look at my stream stats. See, that's why I like doing this, so that you guys don't have to see like random technical things. I need jelly fields on my phone. It's not made for phones. I use ad blocker. If you use ad blocker, that means that I don't get any money whenever you watch my things. And if I don't get any money, that means I will not be able to make video games anymore, and I'll have to quit. Okay, so we need to clear it to flip. We need to check if it's I need to check this. Clear it. Okay. I need to see exactly what the... I guess I could just state which is... if it's Z is... We'll say Z is less than... Let me write this on a sticky note. Less than negative... We'll just say negative 85. Or if it's greater than... Well, actually, we just need to say... greater than 108. Okay. We're gonna say projectile. We'll put it in the projectile. I made a mistake. I brought. Okay. Why do you need money to make a game? If I don't make money, how will I pay the bills? I need to pay bills and also like eat food and stuff. If I can't do, how can I make a game if I don't? You need money to exist. Okay. Let me open up this Visual Studio. It's not gonna... There? Boom! Okay, Visual Studio. I can get rid of that. I don't need that. We'll just say start. And then we're gonna say public bool is flip. And we'll say... We also need a reference to the sprite renderer. We'll say if is flip. If, whoa. Transform dot rotation. Transform dot. Is less than negative 85. Is this it? How do I do the rotation again? that is greater than, what did I even write? 108? Whoops. I always get confused with rotations, so we'll figure this out. How much money are you making off YouTube, Ko-fi, etc.? So the Ko-fi has been canceled because I'm doing YouTube memberships now and I'm focusing on that. I make probably $200 a month, which you probably may know that is not nearly enough money to survive. Hopefully that'll start changing in the future, and it used to be like around 100 or a little bit less, but the members have really help out. And also doing the streams and the frequency of uploading and stuff is also helping out. And of course, game sales will help out in the future. But yeah, I do not make a lot of money. So if anybody believes I'm doing this for money, I don't make any. I use ad blockers unless I'm going to sleep, so yeah, if you don't need to use an ad blocker, but you just need to remember that ad blocker, watching an ad for a content creator is just a nice thing to do. Can you please stop spamming frog jelly, please? Please no spam. All right, I'm gonna say is flip, and we'll see if this actually works or not. I'm gonna become a member. If you really want to become a member, it will mean a lot to me, and it's very nice. But you don't have to. Okay. So that didn't work. Because we want... The number that we want is... this number. Rotation Z. So that should be correct, because I said if it's... I guess 180 actually is what I was looking for. Then we need to flip Y. I don't think it's Y is flipped. Because if I flip the Y, then that's perfect, right? Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is, everybody. Fear not, I think I've figured it out. It does not grab the sprite renderer, so that might be the problem. I will pirate your game if you don't add frog jelly. That's rude. Why would you do that? It still didn't do anything. Hold on a second. Thing should pop up now. Can you please stop spamming Game Boy channel? If you keep spamming, you're gonna have to get silenced. Let's see. This has been run. Yeah, it's... I don't understand why this is not... Is flip. Got Z. All right, now it's gonna say what the rotation is. I'm gonna eat a jelly. Don't do it. Also, shout out to everybody that lurks in the chat. I know there's a lot of people that watch, but they don't actually talk very often. Negative 0.9999504. What? Is it getting... What? Transport... Negative... What? Hold on. Is it? I feel like something's wrong here. A clam with a pearl, but the pearl is a fireball. That's a really cool idea. Do I need to use Euler angles? Yeah, get rotation in degrees. I guess I do need to use Euler angles. Okay. So, see, I struggle with that. Euler angles Z. And then I can remove this. And then we can go back to the game. Because jellies are magic, if I eat one, do I become magic? No, it actually gives you an upset tummy. You actually can't do it. I'm just joking. You can't bite them. They're made out of magic. They're gonna let you eat them? Come on. They're smarter than that. Yay, look. Now it faced the right way. I need to actually restore my mana. There you go. Cool. So, what we need to do now is we need to make it so currently they don't have a maximum distance. We need to give the projectiles a maximum distance. So we're gonna say, let me go to here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Start X. Actually, we'll just do, how do you get distance again? Isn't there like just a vector3.distance? I guess on a fixed update, we'll just say public flow max distance. And then we'll just say if and then we need to get public transform start position if vector3 dot distance between start position dot transform. And the current position, so transform dot position if that is greater than max distance. We will need to say damaging dot do destroy. Cool. Sorry, I forgot because the streams are at a weird time for me. Welcome to the stream. A bat enemy that looks like a light that is hanging from the roof, but a bit different, and it'll swoop down and attack you. That's a cool idea. Hello, everybody. Hi to all the people that are just now showing up. Did YouTube just send out a random notification to everybody? Because I see a bunch of people are just showing up now all of a sudden. So we say, we actually need to say that we don't want to transform. We want a vector3. And we just want to say start position. So when we start, we're going to say start position equals transform Whoops. Transform.position. So this is going to say, this is, okay, so basically what I'm saying here is, start position is where the projectile is when it's first created. And then this float maximum distance is how far away the projectile will be before it's destroyed. And then down here, it's saying if the distance between the start and where you are right now is greater than the maximum distance, then destroy it. Hopefully this will work. So we want to say, if we say the max distance is 5, let's just check. We'll just see if this works. It should travel some distance, and then it crashes. Oh, I know why. It is because here in the clear it has a damaging script and it's not set, so I just gotta set it like that. I think it's gonna work though. If you stab a jelly with a fork, no, that wouldn't happen. If you stab a jelly with a fork, it's not gonna let you stab it. There you go. So there you go. It disappeared. So that's basically adding a maximum distance, since this guy just kind of goes. You know, he's beating that up, and then he just kind of goes, and then he goes away. It'll obviously have effects, but for now, it's just working, which is really cool. And then we should probably make in here a bool to say, public bool is distance. We'll just call it that. And then we'll just say if is distance. Then we'll do this, because not all projectiles will have a maximum distance. Cool. Let's take a moment to appreciate the hard work he puts into this, and the music as well. I want to copy your game to cell phone. No, you're not allowed to do that. Say yes. Yes. You put like code in there, and I can't read the code. It's too complicated. A share of jelly? Now, here, we need to actually go to the card, and then we need to say that it is a distance card. So this card should be complete. My master plan is complete. Boink. So I throw this puppy out, and he goes his maximum distance, and then he's gone. What do you say about us making a new charm, a new boomerang, if you will? Because I've gotten a ton of ideas. I had like a whole like day where I just had so many ideas for different charms. Not any ideas for the visuals for them, but I have one that I want to make that is such a cool idea. I'll tell you a few of the ideas that I have. Let me open up the Trello where I wrote down all my ideas. And we're going to go to charms. Okay, here's a cool idea. Dagger charm, right? When you throw it, it doesn't automatically come back to you. You have to click the button to recall it manually. Or if you get like a maximum distance away from it. So here's what I should do this so you guys can understand what I mean. So this is the idea for the dagger card, or charm, my bad. So if I throw the boomerang and I click again, I can actually pull it back. You see that? So it has its maximum distance that I can go. Like if I'm pretty sure if I throw it like here, it's going to travel the max distance and come back, right? If it hits a wall, it comes back. If it hits an enemy, it comes back. But you can also click again to manually pull it back. The dagger card, I keep saying card because we're doing card stuff. The dagger charm, when you throw it, it'll stick into something. And the only way to get it to come back is to obviously go the maximum distance or to click again and pull it back. And if you throw it at an enemy, it'll stick to the enemy and do damage. And when you click again, it'll pull it back and do more damage. That make any sense? I think that one was kind of cool. So that's one of the ideas that I had. Another idea that we could do is, let me see. We could do a bomb one, and the bomb one would basically be you throw it and it's like a normal boomerang, but when you call it back, it'll actually do an explosion. And I think we have to do that one because everybody was saying bomberang the last time we did this, so I think I have to do everyone justice and make a bomb one. I don't know what my drawing skills are like today. I gotta go to the please hold while I grab the default charm. Go back here. Fairlii, I have a cool idea. Can there be a system where you can combine weapons? That would be hard to make, but add to the replay value. I don't think I would do that. It's a cool idea, but I don't think I would do it. So we have the default boomerang here. Cool game, dude. Nice work. Thank you, Secret Lizard. I just realized I have 6 streams open. Whoa, who are you watching? Okay. We need to make a bomb boomerang. How would I make it look? I mean, I could Google pixel art bomb. I mean, yeah, it's pretty. Maybe I can make it look like the, there's like 2. Here's a funny idea. Like this. Alright, this is gonna lack. Wow, your game is very cool. Thank you. Check this idea out. This is the coolest idea that you'll ever see. Make these like a red. I mean, what is for sale? Who's trying to buy one of these? Why would you buy one of these? Kind of look like hot dogs. I mean, I could do it like that. Does that look like a stick of dynamite? And then and then there'll be like, you know, like a fuse. And this will be on fire in the game. It's like, it looks like a hot dog. Maybe it's just a normal boomerang. Like here. Like it has just like pretty much the same kind of deal going on, but then it's like sticks of dynamite at the end. Should they be like thin? I think maybe the should grab like this kind of color. I don't like the that. Maybe I can do like that. I'm like today I'm like not having a good like drawing day. Fairlii man, I have to go. Good luck with the rest of your stream. Bye, Otter. Thank you for showing up. Does this imagine getting killed by a hot dog? Barbecue rib boomerang. Maybe I make it longer. Might make it a little more phallic, but it's okay. You guys can see the idea though, right? I think we need the fire for it to make sense. Make the ends of the dynamite tilt down. Like this. This is it's kind of funny, honestly. The white bits. Oh. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. I like that. That kind of works. I'm playing Jellyfields right now and it's amazing. I'm glad you like it. It's still a very early version of it. Okay, we're gonna take this sprite. We're gonna use this one, just for now. It might not be final, but I'm gonna put like fire on it, and it might look really cool. You just have to believe in the dream. Everybody believe. I'm calling it the bomberang. Then we go back to Unity, sprites. What am I doing? Oh, sprites. Why did I do that twice? I'm so weird. Then we grab our bomberang. So 16. Hit apply because I'm a weirdo, and then do this again. Make a thick boomerang. I do have in my idea list, I do have the big rang. That is one of my ideas. It's like goes incredibly slow. I gotta go. I'm gonna watch the stream later. Bye, Fairlii. See you later. My jelly is just staring at a wall. Yeah, that's a glitch in that version of the game. I fixed it later. I fixed it later. I fixed it. It will be fixed in the next update. That's what I'm trying to say. I couldn't say that for some reason. So we have our charms here. We're going to take the normal boomerang charm, and we're going to call it bomberang. Throw it in here as an original prefab. And then change the sprite to be the bomberang. Cool, right? Hi, linked animations. I might sneeze. I might sneeze, but I'm not going to. I was stronger than the sneeze. I overcame it, and I might actually sneeze now. I'm like almost sneezing, guys. Start size. Random between two constants. 0. Maybe we do like 0.2 and 0.3. The shape is just gonna be rectangle. So this one is gonna be, how do I here. Okay. And then I need to... I guess I can... Would this make sense if I started some of them like that and some of them like... Some of them are like fire and some are like smoke. And then we just have it... Lifetime. That's too long. Too short. And then we're gonna say size over lifetime. Like that. That looks pretty cool. A grapple ring? And we need to have it appear on the sprites layer. 1, 2, 3, 3. So it's above the boomerang. And then we'll take that and we'll put it there as well. Actually, before I copy that, I want to set the simulation space to be world. And then we'll move it over here. So hopefully this will look pretty dang cool. Is it spinning the... I think I might know something that I need to do. If you're just tuned in and you don't know what's happening, I'm making a boomerang that's a bomb. And I was just adding the fire to it. It's like 2 sticks of dynamite attached to a boomerang. We need to do the boomerang manager. We need to add a new boomerang. Or a charm. We just need to add the bomberang to this list. 0, 1, 2, 3. And then we can set the player's boomerang to be 3, which is not going to work. Because I have a save file. So I need to delete my save file. So that the game will start without a save file. And it won't automatically set the boomerang. Now we have the bomberang. Okay. Okay. Cool. But I definitely need to change some things. That one looks really cool statically like this, but these need to be much, much faster. And it also needs to be like random. Yeah, like 8 to 10. 8 to 10. Cool. Would it destroy things around it? Would it destroy the boomerang itself? Yeah, when you call it back, it's gonna just explode. That's actually pretty cool. The problem with it is that it doesn't really look like fire because of the colors. Because it's going between both of those colors. So maybe I could just do like a... kind of like that. Can I paste this here? We'll just do that for now. I can obviously edit it at a later date. The fire itself lasts too long. It needs to have a... I'm just sitting here editing this now. Try to add orange. Yeah, I'll need to add like a yellow or something. Okay, that's cooler. I think adding like a... that kind of deal. This will look more like fire. Do you know who Mythic Legion is? No. The Bomberang should also have a like glow to it. So we could add a light spotlight 2D. Maybe like an orangish light. Actually, let's bring it into the scene so we can see what this light actually looks like. We want it to be a pretty big light. There you go. Perfect. We'll just disable this. He made one good video and then dipped. That's cool. I don't like the sizing of it. I think I'd more like it like that. It might need a bigger light. I'm weird with lighting. I don't know how to make lighting that looks good. I don't know how to do lighting properly. Dipped as in left. Yeah, I understand what you mean. I'm gonna go. Bye. How do you plant the rock candy seeds? There aren't rock candy seeds. Will you ever change the selection of background music for your streams? Yeah. I'm eventually gonna get like a cool playlist or something. Right now it's just like Christmas stuff. That's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Do you think that looks pretty neat? Boomerang.set coming back. Right. The secondary action is gonna be Bomberang. And then we're gonna have that be the explosion. So I'm pretty sure I know what I want to do. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know what I want to do. What happens when you don't catch it? What do you mean? You always catch it. Let's see. I'll wait for that to load. Interaction. And then we're gonna say public damaging. And then we're gonna say we also need No, we're good. We're good. We're good. So we're gonna do, we need a public layer mask, damage layer, and then public float damage size. Let's see. We're gonna say collider 2D collider equals overlap circle all, and then we're gonna say transform dot position damage size damage layer. Collider 2D like that. Right. Okay. If collider, I want to change it to say colliders. Colliders.length is greater than 0. Colliders. This might not work. For each. For each of those, if colliders, if collider dot get component health is not equal to null, we'll just say collider blah, 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 health dot damaging dot damage amount. We'll just say true for now. Hello, hi guys, welcome. Then we're gonna say damaging dot destroy. Here, it's gonna be at the end. Nope. Why can't I do this correctly? Why can't I do this correctly? Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. This might work. So the bombering, player attacks, the damage size, we're gonna say 2, and the damaging is this, and we're gonna say that it does like 10 damage. But we're gonna do something different. You'll see. So now if I hit it, it'll do 10 damage, which is like a crazy amount of damage. We're not gonna have that happen. It's gonna be different. I just need to check and see if this current thing is working. So I should be able to throw this, and it should boom, but it's not. And I think I know why it's not booming. What am I doing? Oh, right. Okay, right. That's because boomerang return needs this to be put there. Aha. Are you okay? You're hot? Yeah, you're pretty warm. What? I miss you too. I'm gonna be getting off in a minute. Okay. Would you mind testing out my game? Not right now. So this should be working. I don't know why it's not. Damage size, damage layer. This should be working. Okay, I'm gonna see if this is working or not. I hope it is. I might have done something wrong. Okay, this is not working. Okay, when you call it back, it might be in this script. Oh, I get it. 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 Right. That Bammerang? No, it's called Bomberang. Get it? Like a bomb. Oh God. It caused a stack overflow. Wait, how? Huh? What? Sorry, I'm just looking at the code to figure out what the heck is what the deal is here. Is it not in this script that this problem is happening? Coming back interaction dot do interaction. Let's see. Literally bombed the game. It just went ba-boom. Also, I don't know what this temp thing is that's happening there. It just ran this like a million times. Why? Damaging. Is it this? I don't know what the freak all of these errors are. I think Unity's just bugging out. They're just appearing. Look, just appearing. Cool. There you go. Now it's working. I need to like reset my Unity. It like completely broke it. My goodness. Okay, I'm closing Unity. And I'm gonna reopen the game. The stack overflow, it couldn't handle. After the stack overflow, it's just like, oh. It just went, oh. What are you using for source control? I have a mixture of backing up my projects both locally and in the cloud. And on physical. Oh my god, my microphone. What the flip? What? My mic. Which one of you sabotaged my mic? Which one of you did this to me? I don't know what happened. It just started taking a tumble. First the sink, then the boom on my Unity. Okay, there you go. So this is working. But it isn't working entirely. Bomberang. I'm back. Welcome back. I want to finish this bomberang. It's taking so long. Ew. Ew. Visual Studio, what are you doing? What a weird stream that I've had today. Also, a kitty decided to join me. He's laying on my lap. It was the damaging.do destroy that was... Oh. I get it. Okay. Did the kitty hit the mic? No. He was already laying on me when that happened. He didn't touch it. Okay. Breach collider. This should work. I just need to see how. This buddy is. So it's got the health. Yes. Destroyable. Okay. So maybe that's the layer that we should put this on. Charms, Bomberang. We should put this on the destroyable layer. This should work. Meow, 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 meow. Yay! It works. Cool. I don't know why I thought the mana pool would respawn the mousey. Oh no, what did I do? Oh. Wait a minute, why did I do that? Hold on a minute, I messed something up here. How did I mess? Wait, what? What? How did I? What? Do you work on your games all by yourself? For the most part, yeah. I don't know why I'm saying what. So that I can obviously add this big ol' area of effect for that. The object of type game object. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what happened there. I know what's happening right now with this bug that's happening. But I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened with the room where I was just not entered into it. I have no idea what that was. I know what this bug is. I just have to go into here. Yes. Does damaging have a... we're gonna have to say... That, I think that'll work. This is just a random bug. Let's see. I don't even know if this is the problem. It's not that, it's this. Sorry. Active boomerang dot get component boomerang dot set coming back. Oh. And it just needs to set. Okay. No, the candy biome is not playable right now. It is not. The two biomes that are playable are the Friendly Fields and Rocky Retreat. I don't know why this is having this problem. I think it's if you hit a wall at the moment. Yeah. Because it's when it's hitting a wall. It should do this. We need to just get rid of this, okay? We're just gonna say destroy. I don't know why I just did that. This dot game object. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Because this is causing a ruckus, an absolute ruckus. Damaging destroy command is gonna be this. I guess it has to be that. I can fix that later. But it's still, for some reason, doing this. I don't know why it's doing this. That's just part of coding. It's not setting this properly. Oh, duh. I'm just baby braining it. Just being stupid. I have to go now. See ya. I love Lunal Lane. Thank you. I love it too. I'm glad you love it. Oh yeah, there you go. Now it should like boom. Now it's a boom, bomb, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. I can make it like a huge area of effect too if I really wanted to. You see that area? It does a ton of damage. That is awesome. Okay, I think I'm getting a little tired. I'm gonna hit the add button and talk for a minute, and then I'm gonna head out. I've now hit the add button. I'm kind of tired, kind of sleepy. You know what I mean? I got a nice little kitty laying on my lap. Cutie, cutie, make a cutie, cutie. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. All of you that showed up. Sorry about the technical difficulties earlier. Well, they weren't really technical difficulties. They were delay difficulties. I'm glad everybody showed up. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are excited for the lane of the Lunals. And yeah, that's it.